The Sportage is one of the longest running nameplates in Kia's history. It has been around since 1993 and is entering its fifth generation as it nears its 3-decade anniversary. The new Sportage comes with a plethora of changes. It looks a lot smarter than the current model, is underpinned on a new architecture and will be offered in hybrid and plug-in hybrid options. The new Sportage is based on the company's new N3 architecture. It comes with a reinforced and lightweight body structure that has high torsional rigidity. In terms of looks, it is very different from the current Sportage. Kia says this 5th gen Sportage is based on the company's new Opposites United design philosophy. We saw the same on the EV6 as well. The front face of the Sportage SUV gets straight lines with a larger grille, split at the corners by the LED daytime running lights in the shape of a boomerang, behind which are the main headlights. The floating sideline is now sportier than ever as it gradually rises to the rear and reaches the top at the D-pillar. The upper half of the body has also been redesigned to be more compact. At the rear, the 2022 Sportage SUV has a clear similarity with the Kia EV6's tailgate design and the roofline. The tail lights are linked by a horizontal strip that runs across the tailgate, in contrast to a clean design tinged with the thick black bumper, to which is added a ski plate protector. Moving inside the new Kia Sportage, the cabin has now been transformed into a more luxurious and comfortable space for occupants. The cabin is dominated by a huge horizontal screen that houses the digital dashboard and the infotainment system. The vents for climate control now have a 3-dimensional effect. 2022 Kia Sportage also gets a new multifunctional steering wheel. Kia has also replaced the traditional gear lever with a rotary gear selector inside the 2022 Sportage. The gear also has a selector of driving modes, the heating and ventilation controls of the seats. The Kia Sportage will come with a 1.6-litre turbo petrol engine that makes 180 PS of power and 264 Nm of torque, and a 2.0-litre diesel engine that makes 186 PS of power and 470 Nm of torque. Gearbox options for petrol engine option will include a 6-speed manual and a 7-speed DCT, whereas the diesel engine will only get an 8-speed automatic transmission. Apart from this, Kia has said that there will also be a hybrid and plug-in hybrid version of the Sportage in the future.